Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, Bekesa. Welcome back to the Canva Cafe. Um, Here we're going to be doing a tutorial for what are we doing? A TagUs in Your Selfie. Ordinarily, a lot of people use a cell phone. I wanted to switch it up and use a watch. And you could also change it from TagUs in Your Selfie to Selfie Time. I also have a template for that in my Etsy shop for hair professionals or whoever, and I have a lot of templates there too. So here I took a video and I used Canva's background remover, and I believe it's a pro element, and if you need to use the pro, I do have an affiliate link in my bio to use Canva Pro free for 30 days. So I just decided to superimpose the video inside of the watch frame, and I shorten the video, or you can shorten it to the length that you need your video. So instead of just having your customers send you still pictures, now I'm talking like I'm on Instagram. So I wanted to use a video instead of just a static picture. So I am just sizing it and deciding how much of it I want to use inside of the frame. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm just gonna pick a background. You can pick whatever background you want. I just decided to pick this gold one to make it a little bit, a little bit more luxe, a little bit more festive. Just adding a background, the background of your choice. And really, I just wanted to make this flyer super quick, so I didn't fool around with my background choices because I'm trying to keep the tutorial short for you guys so that you can get in and get out. Now with this template that I chose, the watch, it allows you to change the background. So here I'm just showing different colors, or maybe I'm not showing different. Oh yes, I am. And you can just pick the color you want. That way it's not transparent. But if you want to leave it transparent to show what's in the background, that's also fine too. I'm just typing out the copy for what we're gonna title this, and I'm gonna change out the font. And after I change the font, I'm going to use the line spacer to put the words just a little bit closer together because they are a little bit too spaced out for my liking. It looks weird.
Let's see.
So now I'm going to type out the selfie, and I do it separately so I can use a different font for that. And I wanted to do something, in cursive or something, fun that pop. You can do whatever you want. I just picked one of the first ones that I saw just for the sake of the video. It's just about the technique. You can do whatever you want or pick whatever goes with your brand. I just picked the first one basically that I saw and decided to go with it. Plus it plays off of the tall, thicker font at the top to put something slimmer and stretched out, for lack of better words. And what I'm going to also do now is just to add a little interest. I didn't really think too much about it because, like I said, I didn't want to hold you too long. So I decided to do a glow effect and change the color. And then what I'm going to also do is duplicate it and change the color and line it back up in front of it, on top of it, so that some of the neon will peek through the bottom, and yeah, add a little glow to the word. So there I am, just duplicating it, and I'm taking away the effect, and then I'll probably change the color because I don't know which color I want to do. So here I just decided to go with the red just to keep with this holiday theme. So now I'm just searching for some accessories to accessorize our flyer here. I'm looking for Christmas trees, and as you can see, or may not see, depending if I edit it out or not, I've chose several different Christmas trees until I just decided to pick one. I didn't want something that was going to do too much. And also, I'm going to mention it here just in case it gets deleted out. I also put a shadow effect behind mostly all the elements that I choose. I always put a shadow effect. So if you don't see me doing it here, just know when I was finished designing, I go back in and click the shadow. And the reason why I wait till the end is because I don't know where I'm going to put the elements. So I don't want to put a shadow and it won't be seen. So I wait till at the end after I've placed all of my elements, and then I decide to go back in and add the shadow. That way I can see where the shadow falls on my design, and in case it happens to be, maybe if I was doing a black background or something, then I could decide what color I want to do my shadow. So that's just a tip that I do. I wait till after I'm finished my design to go back in and add my shadows. And the other Christmas tree that's behind the watch, you could have added maybe a candy cane or something like that, but we big money ballers over here, so we got 2 Christmas trees. So I'm just going to speed up the video a little bit. I'm just adding Christmas decor. Nothing to see here. So in case you're wondering, I'm just adding Christmas gifts, some bows, transparent snowflake background, and I think that's about it that I'm adding for here. And after this frame is done, I decided I wanted to put some snow behind the model, and I had to put my little brain on, my little tin hat on to figure out how to do it. So in the next frame, it won't be the next frame, apparently. You'll see when I change the page. Is it coming up? No, I'll come back when it comes up. There, I was just adjusting the size of the video to see how much of it I wanted shown, so I just cropped it accordingly. And now I duplicated my page because I wanted to try to put the model in front of the snow. So what I'm doing is I'm detaching the image. And these are tricks I teach in, on my one-on-ones and in my membership and things like that. But hey, I'm gonna tell you here. I took it out, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for some falling snow, and I'm gonna try to fit it the best way I can. I should have used the other thing, but anyway. I'm gonna put the snow right over the watch, and I'm gonna shrink it and try to size it so that it fit, as best as I can over that over the watch frame. And you can watch and see what I do, and then I probably speed it up again just to, shorten this out. But like I said, I just try to make it as small as possible to fit, within the size of the watch. I wish I could cut it, but it doesn't really let you cut it per se. So all I could do is like shrink it and try to line it up a little bit, and then I'll just let you watch and I'll come back. So I'm just gonna let the video play so you can see what it looks like once the video is going. So that's how your flyer will look before you post on social media. So that's what it looks like. So I realized that the video was extending out of the size of the watch, so I went ahead to try to find something to cover the edges to blend the video. So I tried to look for a shape, and I didn't see a shape that I liked per se. So I went and I selected a square, and I used the effects at the top and made a border with the shape. And I rounded it a little bit because I wanted it to be reflective of the inside shape of the cell phone. I keep saying cell phone, y'all know what I mean, the watch. So I end up changing it to have it, the corners rounded, and then I changed it to make it transparent so that you can see the image through it. So you'll see what I'm doing here, and then I just overlaid over the watch and try to size it the best way I can. So just watch. Then I'm just zooming in because that's the best and easiest way to work when you're doing detailed things on any type of design. So just zoom in, that way you can be more detailed and precise. And actually, if y'all saw, you could have been finished this flyer a long time ago. I just wanted to be extra and just try that little detail. And I find that's what a lot of people like about my designs, because I just think outside the box and do little extra things. Well, maybe that's me who likes my designs. But yeah, I'm just adding more elements just because I'm extra, child. I can't help it, So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, as always, please make sure you subscribe, share, and comment, and let me know down in the description box any other tutorials that you're interested in. So I'm just going to be positioning everything else and just making sure everything is where I want everything to be. So basically this tutorial is basically over. I'm just, tidying up things and just getting everything to where I like. And if you made it this far through this crazy tutorial, drop in the comment section, tag us. And I'm going to hit the play button inside of Canva so you can see what the flyer looks like once it's all done. Thanks so much for watching.